Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today in this video I am going to talk about a beautiful event and conference management plugin, and the plugin name is WPEventin. Now in this video I will talk about the root of this plugin. After that I'll share some features from the WordPress org, and then I'll go to the landing page of this plugin and verify their features. Now if you want to develop a event or conference management website for yourself or for your client, let's say you are a freelancer or you are a theme developer, so if you want to know how can you create a beautiful conference and event management website, then you should know about this plugin. This video is going to be little bit boring since I'll talk a lot of things about the plugin from my computer screen, but still if you want to grow, if you want to learn something, then you should watch this video carefully. So let's get started with the root analysis of this plugin. From the WordPress org, you are seeing the plugin made by ThemeWinter. So this is the ThemeWinter landing page, and ThemeWinter is a subsidiary company of XP Studio, which is a famous WordPress company in Bangladesh. Right, so this is the landing page of this plugin. They explain what are the features they have. They said you can add unlimited events, present your speaker or organizer. I'm not going to share all these features one by one. This is going to be boring for you. If you are interested, the link will be available in the description. You can check all the features from their website. Let's move back to the WordPress org to check what are the features they give in their plugin. Alright, so we are moving to the features area. These are the free features mostly. So it's a huge features for a free plugin. If you have planned that you want to host an online event, you can do it with a Zoom integration, and the plugin has RTL language support, which means that if you have a website or your client is from the right to left language supported area, still you can use this plugin. There's some more interesting features like invoice printing, unite ticket system, and many more. You can check this from their org description. The plugin has some pro features also, but I'm not going to share these pro features. If you already use this plugin, then you can check this, but initially I recommend you to use these free features for your event and conference management website. Now let's get back to the landing page, and here the WPEventin landing page. Let's cross check the features. The features countdown timer they have. And if I talk about the event, they have event listing free and pro features, then even landing page free and pro features, and attendee list. Here the interesting thing is attendee list. These features is fully free. Right, let's talk about the schedule. There is free schedule and pro schedule style in this plugin, and Zoom integration. Now you know, during the pandemic, the conference, especially virtual conference, they are growing massively, right? So if you want to organize a virtual event, you can integrate Zoom, and that's free in WPEventin. Moving to the speaker part, speaker also contain free and pro features. These are speaker details. It seems like it's a landing page. I'll verify it later. And the speaker listing page, these are free. So I'm going to open a free style since I'm recommending free plugin for the initial users. So these are the free landing page. This page contain a beautiful design, I must say. The design also contain the schedule for the speaker, and inside the schedule you see the speaker is also available. Here they also add related event. After that, in the right side they describe the organizer, and you can get registration form with the ticket selling opportunity and other related information about the event. Now if you move pro version of this plugin, then definitely you will get some pro style. It's a natural that in pro they will offer a little bit more, but I think from my personal opinion that if you are a beginner, if you want a very very generic conference, then this style is absolutely fine. Now I'm moving to the WordPress org one more time to show you their rating. If you see the rating, all the ratings are 5-star. There is no 4-star, 3-star, 1-star. There's no negative rating, right? And the active user, it's already 2000. So 2000 people are actively using, and see the last update, they regularly update this plugin as well. Now the last things, we already make a tutorial video how can you create a conference website with WPEventin, and the link will be available in the description. You can check it. Now we already decide from the ollzo that we are going to review a lot more plugin regularly. So if you want us to review your plugin, don't forget to comment the plugin name in the comment below, or you can send us email. All the contact details will be available on the description. That's all for today's videos. We'll come back with a new video very soon. Till then, tata.